What you eating?
I need cupcake.
It's ice cream.
I want ice cream.
Ice cream.
I want it.
You don't want it? I'll eat it. I'll eat it all gone.
You eat it.
I will eat it.
Yeah.
No, you eat it.
You
It's
eat
for
it.
you.
For you.
You.
Oh my God.
It smells good. Mmm.
Smells good.
Smells good.
I want TV.
We'll watch TV when you finish your ice cream. Finish your ice cream.
Oh, wait.
Finish your ice cream.
I am.
Mmm.
I'm good in there.
It's good. Good job.
Oh, then.
All done. You still have ice cream left.
Oh, then.
Eat more.
Oh, then.
Eat it all gone.
Oh.
Say, night-night, Abby.
I want to eat.
And
I want TV. I want TV.
You eat your ice cream.
You eat it.
You eat it.
You eat it.
It's for you.
She's got it.
For you.
You eat it. Okay, say night-night, Abby.
I want
Say night-night.
I want TV.
After you eat your ice cream.
I want for my napkin.
Yeah, you fold your napkin.
Ta-da!
Woo! You got ice cream on your mouth.
You want food?
A little bit. Better eat more.
Oh, go on.
Mmm, big bite. Woo! Tasty.
Oh, go on. It's cold.
It's cold in your tummy.
Yeah.
Is it cold in your head? Cold in your head?
I want mochi.
After you eat your ice cream.
Nice, we got some more peas. That's enough for her.
Cold in my tummy.
The cool rice. Oh, go on.
Almost.
Cut it. Cut it.
Okay. Mmm.
I don't want TV. I don't want TV.
We're going to watch TV in the other bedroom.
Cut it. Cut it.
Are you all done? I knew that wasn't going to make it to your mouth. Or that one either. Awesome. Awesome. Say night-night, Abby.
Nanabi.